Types of sets. Types of set. First type is singleton set. Singleton set. What is mean by singleton sets? इसके नाम में ही इसका मीनिंग है. सिंगल मीन्स वन. A set having only one element. This set is called as singleton set. So singleton set means a set having only one element. Those set are called as singleton set. Single means only one element. So a set having only one element. Those sets are called as singleton sets. For example, B is a set of even prime number. There is only one even prime number and that is 2. So in this set, B is a set of even prime number. So 2 is a even prime number, and therefore in set B there is only one element, that is called singleton set. So this B set is a singleton set because in this sets having only one element. By using our definition, a set having only one element. So set B is a singleton set. Then second, empty set or null set. Empty set, or it is also called as null set. Empty set or null set are denoted by this sign. This is the empty set or phi, and it is read as phi, phi, phi. So empty set or null set are denoted by this sign, empty bracket, curly bracket, but this is empty, or this sign phi. This sign is empty set. Also this sign is denoted by empty set. Okay, so what is meant by empty or null set? Empty means कुछ भी नहीं उसमें. So set having no elements, that is called empty. Is a set having no element. Those sets are called as empty set or null sets, and it is denoted by this sign and phi. Phi is also empty set. Okay, for example, B is a set of, for example, B is a set of all x such that B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number between 2 and 3. So first prepare list. Okay, so first we have to prepare list, and x is a natural number between 2 and 3. 2 and 3 में जितने नेचुरल नंबर्स है उसके पहले लिस्ट बनाना है. ओके, सो 2 and 3 के बिटवीन, 2 और 3 के बिटवीन कितने नेचुरल नंबर हैं? 2 के बाद डायरेक्टली 3 आता. इसके दोनों के बीच एक भी नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है. सो b इज इक्वल टू एम्प्टी सेट, कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें. सो b इक्वल टू एम्प्टी और b इक्वल टू 5. इसका मीनिंग भी एम्प्टी है. तो b इक्वल टू एम्प्टी और b इक्वल टू 5. सो दिस इज अ एम्प्टी सेट बिकॉज नो वन एलिमेंट बिटवीन 2 and 3. ओके, थर्ड पॉइंट इज फाइनाइट or infinite. You know that what is meant by finite. Finite means countable. Countable elements, sets having count. इसे लिखो set. A set having countable elements. Countable elements. जो एलिमेंट को काउंट कर सकते 1 2 3 4 up to 10, that is called countable elements, and it is finite. It is finite set. For example, B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number from 2 to 6. Okay, first we have to prepare list. X is a natural number from 2 to 6. So b equal to 2 to 6 and 2 to 6 आर नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो फ्रॉम है तो यहाँ पे 2 और 6 को इंक्लूडिंग करना है. सो 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. और अगर यहाँ पर बिटवीन है तो 2 भी नहीं लेना है, 6 भी नहीं लेना है, उसमें के बीच वाले नंबर लेना है. ठीक है. सो b इक्वल टू 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सो दिस इज काउंटेबल. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set having 5 elements. It is countable. So it is a finite set. This set is called as finite set. Okay. So finite. Therefore, B is a finite set. B is a finite set. And the last one is infinite. And the last one is infinite. Uncountable sets are called as infinite sets. Uncountable sets are called as infinite sets. So natural set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers, all sets are called as infinite because it is uncountable. Okay, so natural set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of real a set of integers, set of rational numbers, all sets are infinite. Set of natural numbers is an infinite set because natural numbers are infinite. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash and so on. Therefore, this is infinite set. W equal to W is a set of whole numbers and starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash up to so infinity. Therefore, W is also infinite set. And set of integers, it is also infinite set. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dash, 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 and here 1, 2, 3 and so on. All sets are uncountable, so this is infinite sets. Equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal sets if every element of set A is an element of set B and every element of set B is an element of set A, then these two sets are called as equal sets. Means two sets are said to be equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal sets if every element of set A and B are two sets. Okay, two sets A and B are two sets. Two sets are said to be equal sets if every element of set A is an element of set B and every element of set B is an element of set A. Therefore, symbolically it is written as therefore A equal to B, means set A equal to set B. Both sets are equal because every element of set A is an element of set B and every element of set B is an element of set A. Therefore, the two sets A and B are said to be equal sets and symbolically it is written as A equal to B. Okay. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers and set B equal to 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, this type. So, every element of set A, one is the element of set A and one is also element of set B. Okay, so every element of set A is an element of set B, 2 is an element of set A, also set B, 3 is an element of set A, also 3 is an element of set B, 4 is an element of set A and here 4 is an element of set B. Therefore, every element of set A is an element of set B and every element of set B is an element of set A. Therefore, both sets are said to be equal sets and it can be written as A equal to B, A equal to B, set A equal to set B. Okay, then second example we take from your textbook. A is a set of X. A is a set of X such that X is a letter of the word. X is a letter of the word listen. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. Second set B. B is a set of Y such that Y is a letter of the word silent. So first we have to prepare list from this rule method. Okay, X is a letter of the word listen. This is a rule and rule can be converted into list method. So first we have to convert it into list. So solution here A equal to, पहले लिसन की लिस्ट बनाइए. लिस्ट बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, हर एक लेटर के बाद में कॉमा देना पड़ेगा और रिपीट लेटर्स नहीं लिखना है लिस्ट में. ओके, सो फर्स्ट लिखो L, देन कॉमा, देन I, कॉमा, S, कॉमा, T, कॉमा, E, कॉमा, N, कॉमा. यहाँ पर एक भी लेटर रिपीट नहीं हुआ इसलिए सभी लेटर्स लिखे यहाँ पर बट विथ कॉमा. ओके, LISTEN. देन बी सेट लिखो रूल लिस्ट मेथड से. फिर से S, कॉमा, I, कॉमा, L, कॉमा, E, कॉमा, N, कॉमा, T and check this. L is the element of set A as well as set B. I is an element of set A as well as set B. S is the element of set A मीन्स यहाँ पर L है, यहाँ पर भी है, I है, यहाँ पर भी है, S है, यहाँ भी है, T, E, E, N. ऐसे एलिमेंट्स ज़रूरी नहीं कि एक लाइन में हो, आगे पीछे चलते हैं, रैंडमली लिखे तो भी चलेंगे. ओके, तो दोस्त ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट A, all the elements of set A is an element of set B. Therefore, and all the elements of set B is also an element of set A. Therefore, set A equal to set B. Both sets are equal. Okay. Practice set 1.2 problem number 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. So set A is solution. A is the set of all x such that 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so first we have to prepare list from this rule. This is a rule. Rule is converted into list. So first we have to convert it into list. Okay, 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Solve this. 3x minus 1 equal to 2. 3x minus 1 equal to 2. First we have to solve this equation. 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Then 3x equal to 2 plus 1. 3x equal to 3. X equal to 3 upon 3. So x equal to 1. Therefore, in this set A, there is only one element and that is 1. A equal to 1. Okay. Then second, B. B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. But x is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so in this set B, x इज अ नेचुरल नंबर है, बट x इज नाइदर प्राइम, बट वो प्राइम भी नहीं है एंड कंपोजिट भी नहीं है। ऐसा सिर्फ एक ही नंबर है, दैट इज 1। 1 इज नॉट प्राइम, neither prime nor composite, it is odd number. Okay, so b is equal to 1. Here equation number 1, equation number 2. Then set C is all x such that x belongs to n and x less than 2. So prepare list. So C equal to x बिलोंग्स टू n मीन्स x ऐसा नंबर है जो नेचुरल है, और वो कैसा है? सो x लेस देन 2, वो 2 से लेस है मगर नेचुरल है, सो दैट इज 1। 1 इज लेस देन 2 एंड 1 इज ए नेचुरल नंबर। दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3। सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 to 3, a इक्वल टू 1, b इक्वल टू 1, c इक्वल टू 1, देयरफॉर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, 2 एंड 3, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, 2 एंड 3 all sets are equal. A, B and C are equal, therefore A equal to B equal to C. This is equal sets. This is the problem number 1. You can solve question number 2. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. A is equal to even prime numbers. Okay, so even prime number is 2. So in this set A equal to 2. B equal to 7x minus 1 equal to 13. So first we have to solve this. 7x minus 1 equal to 13. Okay, and then check if set A and B are equal or not. Question number 3. Which of the following are empty sets? Why? Question number 3. Which of the following are empty sets? Why? First, A is a set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. It is empty or not? Check this. Solution. A is a set of, list बनाओ पहले. So A is a natural number smaller than 0. 0 से smaller natural number है क्या? 0 से smaller natural number नहीं है. So therefore A is a empty set because A is a empty set or phi. Okay, because A is an empty set because natural number starts from 1. Because natural number starts from 1. Therefore, no one smaller than 0. Therefore, A is an empty set or it is denoted by phi. Therefore, A is an empty set. Second, second, x square equal to 0. B is a set of all x such that x square equal to 0. In this B set, solve this. X square equal to 0 means B equal to x square equal to 0. Okay, then x equal to 0. Therefore, in set B, there is only one element, that is 0. B is equal to 0. So B, in this set B, x square equal to 0, solve this. X equal to, taking square root on both sides, that is x equal to 0. And in this set B, there is only one element, that is 0. So this is singleton set, not an empty set. Therefore, B is not an empty set. This is a singleton set because set having only one element. Therefore, this is a not empty set. Third, here, third, C is a set of all x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0, x belongs to n. So solve this. Here 5x minus 2 equal to 0, then find the value of x. Therefore 5x minus 2 and x equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore set C equal to, in this set 2 upon 5, x equal to 2 by 5. But 2 by 5 is not natural number and in this set x belongs to n, मीन्स यहाँ पर दिया है कि x belongs to n है, वो नेचुरल नंबर है, but 2 by 5 is a fraction, it is not natural number. Therefore C is not an empty set. Sorry, x is the set of all x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0, x belongs to n. मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या दिया है कि ये नेचुरल नंबर है मगर ये नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शन. सो यहाँ पे नेचुरल नंबर आना चाहिए, तो ये नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है इसलिए यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. सो देयरफॉर सी इज एन एम्प्टी सेट क्योंकि दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शन. ओके, बट क्वेश्चन इज दैट x बिलोंग्स टू n, x इज अ नेचुरल नंबर. तो ये नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है तो इसमें अपना नेचुरल नंबर आना चाहिए, तो ये नेचुरल नंबर नहीं आया इसलिए यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है. मीन्स c इज अ एम्प्टी सेट. सो c इज एन एम्प्टी सेट. देयरफॉर c इज अ एम्प्टी सेट. Question number 4. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Okay. Here 1, 2 problems are given. 4, 5, 6, third, 4, 5, 6, 7 are reduced. Okay. In this question number 4, only 2 problems are given. A and remaining problems are reduced. First problem is A is the set of all x such that x less than 10x is a natural number. It is finite or infinite? So it is countable. Therefore it is a finite set. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and it is countable numbers. Therefore it is a finite set. And second is B equal to minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. It is a set of rational numbers. Therefore it is uncountable and therefore B is an infinite set. 4 problems. Third, fourth, 5, 6, 7 are reduced.